Hello and welcome. I am Vishwajit Singh Gautam and you are seeing CBSE and CISE class videos 360 channel. Today we will drive the formula for velocity time relation by graphical method in motion chapter of class 9th. Velocity time relation is also known as first equation of motion. Watch this video till the end. I hope you will understand this very well. If you like the video, so please like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon button for more updates and share with your friends. Let's begin. Velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion along a straight line. Taking time along the x-axis and velocity along the y-axis, and suppose an object moving from A to B. At A point its velocity is u, and at B point final velocity is v, and u is initial velocity, and at A point time t equal to 0 and initial velocity is u, and at B point final velocity is v time t. So first of all we draw the perpendicular from B to time axis, which is BC, and after this we draw the perpendicular on the velocity axis, which is BD, and after this A to A से BC पर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन करेंगे, दिस इज BC, and this is origin O, and ऑब्जेक्ट को A to B तक जाने में t टाइम लगता है. सो OC is equal to T है, and OC is also equal to AG, and AG equal to T, and OA equal to U, initial velocity, and this is also equal to GC. OA equal to GC, and BG is what? If BC V है, if BC V and GC U, so BC is what? V minus U. So V minus U is BC. BC होगा. So BG is equal to BC minus GC, and BC is what? V, and GC is what? U. और जैसा कि हम यहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, सो एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन में क्या होता है? वेलोसिटी चेंजेस एट अ यूनिफॉर्म रेट, दिस रेट इज a, जो कि a है. जैसा कि हम ग्राफ में देख रहे हैं, सो acceleration, uniform acceleration is equal to what? Change in velocity upon time taken. और हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं कि जो एक्सेलरेशन होता है इन वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ में, वो वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ के स्लोप के इक्वल होता है। सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग दिस इज स्लोप एंड स्लोप इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस। सो BC upon AC, BC upon AC, and BC is what? BC is V minus U, and AC is what? T. AC is what? T. So A equal to V minus U by T, and क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद सो AT इज इक्वल टू V माइनस U हो जाता है। एंड आफ्टर ट्रांसपोज U वी गेट E इक्वल टू U प्लस AT। So this is the first equation motion and formula for velocity time relation. I hope you understand this. Stay tuned and goodbye.